This ain't Texas.
So now, guys. Uy, pera yan Joke lang guys. Pera time. Kano ba yung hat na yan? Yung cowboy hat na yan. Phone case reveal. Please, ang dumi-dumi. Sobrang dumi.
Gamit yung phone ko.
Ganda naman sa'yo. Parang madaming mementos.
Yeah.
What's this?
So this
Jimmy Neutron?
Beanie.
Ay,
It's alright.
it looks like molecules kasi.
Tapos this one, Beanie
Like Jimmy
Confettis.
Neutron.
And then this one is a trio. Yeah.
What's Sanrio? Where's
Ano
Sanrio?
Sanrio? Wala.
Ano ba sinabi mo, Rio?
What did I say? The trio? I thought
Trio.
Jasmine, Keisha, Rain.
Kala ko Sanrio. Bigyan kita ng 1 by 1 ko. Ilagay mo dyan.
Oh, okay, I will.
Joke lang. Joke lang. Two truths and a
And a
lie.
lie. Okay, you first.
Okay, go.
Oh, okay. Do we have to tell them what the lie is? Do we have to splook it?
I don't know.
Depends on the lie.
Okay.
Oh, depende.
Okay.
They can just
So,
guess.
we had an amazing dinner. We're hanging out in my house. and I'm not gonna be with you guys tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, I think you guys already know the answer.
Okay.
Welcome to my house, Rain. I hope you like
Thank
my
you.
balcony.
Thank you. I'm so thankful.
Naglalagas ang buhok ko. Gusto nyo, guys?
Here po.
Ganyan din ako. Ano bang treatment pang hair
I-frame na natin to.
Pwede ka na naming ipa-DNA.
You know what's so funny? Sometimes when my hair falls or I feel like I leave DNA, I get so scared. I feel like someone's gonna use it against me one day.
She's watching too many series.
Yeah, you watch
I
YouTube,
am.
yeah.
Oh, you know my favorite series now? Do you watch K-drama?
Yeah, I do.
Right now?
Not now.
Now, me and my mom were watching Queen of Tears.
Oh my God, yes.
That's the last kid of my
Ako
mom.
You
din.
finished it? You finished
Yeah.
it?
Yes.
I'm not done.
Okay. Okay.
You know, I went here for a panel interview tapos in the, plane, yun na yung nag-release na ng another episode. We can't wait now. We watched on the plane.
Just crazy.
Ano episode?
I love her. I'm 5 pa lang. I'm a
Oh
long
my
way.
gosh, a long way.
Long way.
But have you been crying? I feel like hindi siya Queen of Tears.
You know, ito lang. I don't really cry when I watch anything. I've only cried for the first time because of Wicked. So sabi ko, my streak of no crying while watching has been broken. But just for Wicked. Except Hachiko though, but that doesn't count. Anything with animals makes me
Oh,
cry.
yeah.
Queen of Tears.
Jurassic Park made me cry.
What?
Where?
Yeah, when the good dinosaurs died in the island.
Oh, yung naiwan sila?
Yeah,
That I cried there. Actually, yeah, I remember.
Halika na! Halika na!
Patch.
Or dahil matanda ko. Okay.
Land Before Time! Oh my God.
Or,
Pero hindi ako na. It's a Disney, di ba?
Ano
It's
yung Land Before Time?
dinosaurs.
Ito ba dinosaurs na animated?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, tama. Ikaw, nakapanood ka ba nun?
No.
It's
Jurassic
okay, it's
Park.
okay.
Jurassic Park lang. Kasi feeling ko at...
bago ah.
Kasi...
Your streak is gonna break again, Queen of Tears.
Queen of Tears.
Okay,
Queen of Tears
I'm gonna
na.
take that as a challenge.
Yeah. Okay.
If I cry or not.
Bro, I cried
Did you
like every episode. Parang umiiyak ako.
Oh, legit.
Grabe,
Pero
legit.
grabe, I love the girl. She's so beautiful.
Beautiful.
I know,
Her
so-
fashion.
Kim Ji-won.
I want to... Oh, sorry. Like, I want to zoom in the TV if my TV is touchscreen. I want to zoom in the TV because I want to see what makeup she has because it's like she has none.
But she has
Except
none.
The, except
But
the super
eyes lang.
nipis eyeliner. But my makeup artist told me, because I was like, can we do like that to me? Feeling ko naman ganun yung mukha ko, di ba?
Girl, ganun nun.
That takes so long daw. Yung ganun, like barely any makeup. That's even harder daw than like a full beat.
Wow.
Sorry,
Pero sobrang
nabusog
ganda.
ako.
Sa like fashion
And
yan
ang
eh.
cute nila. Like, kami ni Mami sumisigaw, kiss! Kiss!
Did they already
This is so cool.
Yes, they already kissed.
Ooh, kiss. Let's see.
Oh my God. I can't wait for you to reach episodes.
Parang mga, yeah. Yung mga
Okay, let us know. We just chat.
part, yeah, just message us.
Just lock it.
Oh my gosh.
Ang saya
Yeah,
niya
true guys.
panoorin.
Alexis is
I miss
so
watching
gorgeous,
Nanon.
so pretty. Yeah, I miss watching K-drama.
Oh, that's the one I was trying to remember sa Inside Kuya's House, the OST. What was the song?
I don't know the songs yet, but I downloaded.
I remember I
Meron,
posted it in my...
the iconic one.
I posted it in my spam before.
Ayun o, Queen of Tears, OST.
Yun.
Oh, na-restrict tayo. Is it because we're talking about Queen of Tears?
Ah, talaga? May mga ganyan?
Kasi you know, every time I go live, Kaka-live ko palang ni-restrict na ako. But although I think someone's reporting my lives. Bakit? Ano na bang pwedeng pag-usapan dito?
Oo, ma'am.
Patay kayo.
Sige. Oh, ano?
Like, kasi ano ako. Kasi, kunyari, nagme-makeup ako and then they're going to ask, what are you using? What is that? So, I tell them and then biglang, your life is restricted.
Yan, no. Yung isa kong earring, guys, nasa bag ko.
Bakit nga to?
Bag. Kasi, ang gulo, di ba? Ay, ito. I don't think here
Ay,
na bag.
hindi
Feeling ko sa...
natanggal.
Kasi
yung malaki
nag-change
mong
ako
bag.
kanina na, earring sa shoe. I mean, yeah.
Why is Kuya Roger calling me?
Okay.
Enough Tears OST. This one.
Rose.
Which one?
Whenever you cry. Oh my God!
Oh my God, I love it so bad.
Okay na, receipt ko.
I want to go to Korea. I'm craving for Korea.
Okay, go with us.
Wala na, okay.
Oo nga pala, nanalo ko pala ng Korea. Nanalo mo.
Bye.
Yan nga, isa-skip pa yan.
Nanalo ko nga pala ng
Okay,
trip to
bye.
Korea. Tagalog, please. Sorry pa.
Hello,
Sorry.
my mom says hi. My mom says hi.
Hi, Tita!
Hi, tita! Kala mo, kilala ko ni mami mo. Hi,
Oh, syempre kilala ka ng nanay ko, Alexa.
Hi,
Who doesn't know you?
Ihahatid ko
Bye,
pong
bye.
anak nyo.
Asan na ba ito?
Bakit kayo nagsama? Oh, lolo.
Trip namin.
Charot. Bakit nga ba, hindi? Ikaw, nag-guesting ka.
Yeah.
Kami, nag-station ID shoot kami. Food cravings for tonight. Na-satisfy na.
Yes!
Nag-sushi na kami.
Sushi na kami.
Sushi. So good.
Meron pa nga dito, guys, sushi.
Ano ka lang sa bag?
Ang mukha ni Alexa tsaka ni Reno tumingin.
Meron dito, guys. Nandun, no?
Sa mahiwagang bag ko, may isa lalabas mo na sushi.
Sabi ko nga, bakit nang kinip dyan?
Wala ko man ng Tupperware dyan.
Kabir.
Ito pala. Oh, ano, we didn't think about it.
Oh, Alexa, duet to kayo ni Rain.
Wherever you go. Yun lang yung alam ko dun.
Ay, oo, yung OST.
Sige, mag-duet kami next time.
Next time.
Tapos si Jess sasayaw.
Yeah, dito
Yeah.
sa Sarah.
Interpretative dance.
Mag-apple-apple lang ako sa likod.
Raina.
Hotel de Luna din daw.
I also saw that. Are you K-drama girl?
No, actually, now lang
Ayun
ako
lang.
Yung mom ko kasi yung super K-drama talaga.
What's the
So,
first
naman.
K-drama you watched?
Hi, bye, mama.
Oh my God! Ay, sorry.
I love that.
Kakayok.
Yun talaga.
Okay.
You cried
No. Pero kasama ko yung mami ko nanonood nun. Tapos syempre nafe-feeling ko, mangyari to. So you have to cherish the people around you.
You should.
But, what else did I watch? Of course, Crash Landing.
Crash Landing. That was my first
Of course.
K-drama.
That's a good intro to K-drama.
Kasi sabi ko, I was very curious. I studied, di ba, international relations. Sabi ko, ano ba si North Korea and South Korea? That's the only reason why I watched it. Kasi it was very
curious ka lang.
Amazing. It's amazing.
It was amazing, like the actors and everything.
Everything with them was so good.
So good. Like
Pero
cinematography.
iba nga din talaga yung way of shooting sa kanila. Like, they only do like a few scenes a day. Like, let's say 1-2 scenes lang the whole day. Parang Hollywood din sila ata daw. Sabi nila. Sino po yung nakapula? Secret.
Oh.
Ay, may nakapula ba?
Hanapin mo ako.
Oh.
Alamin nyo, si...
Scarlet Heart! Did you watch Scarlet Heart?
No.
That's also good.
Pati yung Descendant.
Ako talaga K-drama girl talaga ako. My
Descendant.
first K-drama, Boys Over Flower.
Ay, oh my God!
Ah, isa lang,
Ano
Boys Over Flower.
yung...
Ay,
Ay,
ano ba
Meet
yan?
Your Garden
Oh,
pala
yeah.
yung nasa isip ka.
What's Meet Your Garden? Is that...
Yun ba ate Patch?
halos
Oh,
same
baby,
lang.
baby. Alam ko ng
F4.
ate ko. Kasi
F4.
yung ate ko nagko-collect ng lahat ng Meet Your Garden. Tapos meron kaming kung ano-ano.
Daming
Daming sa sunshine.
Sa Boys Over Flower, si ano yun, yung Gu Junpyo.
Oo, pogi din. Limin ho, di ba? Limin ho.
Damn.
Baby, my baby.
Maganda po ba weekend? Yes, super.
Sobra! It's time to
Sobra.
run.
Descendants of the Sun.
Oh, I saw that.
Di ba si ano,
Si Song Song, di ba?
Si Go-
Song
Boy.
Jong-chi and
Joke
Song
lang.
Hye-kyo.
yung sa Goblin na guy?
Gong Yu.
The same?
No.
Sorry na.
Sorry na.
Sorry na. I know, I'm
Hindi
not
pa kami
familiar.
masyadong ano.
Oh, baby. Hometown cha-cha-cha.
Nice.
I tried. Tapos
Ako din.
na-stop ako.
Ako din.
Oo.
Pinanood ko before ako
But I love
pumasok.
Good
True
Boy.
Beauty. True Beauty ba?
True Beauty, yeah.
Is that a movie?
Si...
Series.
It's a movie,
Cha
right?
Eun-woo.
Si Cho Ano.
Like,
Sa series?
Ay, hindi. Iba pala yung 100-pound beauty pala yun.
Oh, iba
oo.
yan.
Pero parang same concept. Ganun.
Mm.
Pero yan, Chubiti. Napanood ko na. dahil
Start
siya,
up.
Start
Gusto
up!
mo kilala by
Start up!
name?
Nice din yung Namjoon.
It's okay not to be okay.
Oh my God!
Oh my
Of
God.
Sorry.
course, of
I love that
course.
kasi.
Of course.
Yes, sobra. And now,
Ang
it's
sexy
making
pa
it.
Yes.
Oh, yeah!
And
Oh my
Joshua.
gosh!
Yes.
Oh my gosh! Oh, eh.
Baby, baby, baby.
Bro, she kept
Ang dami
doing
na,
the same time.
ang dami na nilang sinasuggest na
K-drama.
K-drama. How to note them all.
True Beauty, yes. Napanood namin True Beauty.
What's your favorite sports?
True beauty is in the
While you
eye
were
of the
sleeping.
beholder.
While you were sleeping, did you watch? That's also
K-drama
so good.
yan?
Yeah, Lee Jong Suk.
Alam, hindi ko siya nakilala.
What's wrong with Secretary Kim?
That's also
Si
good.
mama ang nanood.
Daming good. Lovely Runner, Byeon Woo Suk.
Iniiwan ko
Pogi.
kasi
Yeah,
lagi
I
si
heard
mama
that
sa
Leon is
bahay.
good.
Kaya nanonood lang siya palagi.
Ay.
Alchemy. Oh, wow, it's an origami.
Alchemy,
Wow,
good
watching
also.
I love that.
Are you a cat person, right? Pero,
I have
She
both.
just fed 3 cats outside kanina
Yeah.
before entering.
I have both, but I feel like mas kaugali ko kasi yung cat.
You have big.
Oh yeah, I have pigs. Don't start this conversation with me, right?
we ain't gonna end.
All my pets have
Oh,
Instagram
wallpaper.
accounts.
Oo nga, nawala. Yes, guys, nawala yung isa kong earring na sa kabilang bag ko.
Pero
guys.
nakailang topic na siya for?
This is my dog.
Oh my gosh!
Blush?
This is Blush. Yes, it's Blush. She's a senior citizen.
Oh, wait?
Yes, but if old, why look baby?
Ganda mo.
Thank you.
Hindi ako nakapokus
Thank you.
kay Blush.
It's Blush, and then
Ah, I remember 2 cats nga sa story mo.
Oh!
yes, and then these are my children, Doja Cat. I'm serious.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Legit? That was a joke?
Because my mom was like, what's the point of me having a girl cat if I'm not gonna name her Doja Cat? There's no point. And this is
No,
my
why?
this is
Fair
my son. He's my son. There,
Chill.
I give them such a hard time during Halloween.
Oh my God.
He's
So
So
cute!
so
Oh my God,
cute.
store.
Oh my gosh.
Ba't nagtatampo?
Pagod na siya.
Kasi pinag-costume ko.
That's so cute.
Kaya siya follow niyo yung mga account ng mga anak ni Alexa.
Ang aking mga anak.
Gusto ko yung nagtatrabaho pero nakikichismis din.
Kaya actually, nung nag-PBB ako before Ate Patch, sabi ko yun yung biggest fear ko na magkaroon ng task na papasok yung pets ko tapos bawal ko pansinin. Yun yung biggest fear ko talaga kasi sabi ko, sorry, talo na agad.
Twinkling watermelon. Ay, sorry.
Masarap yan.
It's a K-drama?
Watermelon.
So innocent pa.
Ayoko pa naman ng
Masarap yun.
watermelon.
Ay, actually, hindi din ako fan ng
Oh,
watermelon.
really? I love it.
But if frozen siya, like super frozen, I like.
Twinkling watermelon anyway, that was so good.
Pero may mga sobrang sweet.
Yung story
Diba?
ng Twinkling watermelon, ano? The girl can talk. The girl can talk.
What? Sa K-drama.
Yeah.
And then,
The girl can talk and then the guy is a musician sa band. And then, so, they made it work.
Nakapag-communicate pa rin
Yeah.
sila. Of course, kayang-kaya.
love
Yeah.
conquers all.
Aww.
I love
Anyway, you guys should
Hirami.
watch. Ganda nun, iyak din kayo.
Anong
Fight for my way.
Anong sports nyo daw?
Ako, I do scuba diving, scuba free
Wow,
diving.
I'm so afraid of water.
Really?
As a
Should try it.
Pisces, I cannot swim.
Really love going to the beach.
No.
Really?
Beach or
I
mountain?